I know nothing about marketing. I can get up on stages, I can talk in front of hundreds of people, and marketing is not my forte. There's so much out there that you don't know, and trying to do this by yourself is damn near impossible, because even being surrounded by experts, and I'm sitting in rooms with people who have 800,000 viewers on YouTube, and I have like 4 videos. So what's interesting is, even when you look at people who are out there and successful, they need this same level of help, and the staff that's here and working with everybody is working with even a novice like me. I walked in the door with not having any idea what to do. I'm walking away with 3 VSLs, yes, you'll learn what that is, but not only how to do it, how to put your budget together, try and figure out what your campaign's gonna cost, what are you looking for, who's your target audience. That's what the power of being here is you get to work one-on-one with people, even though you're in a group setting, because they don't have hundreds of us in here, they've got 10 of us in here max. So I'm walking out the door with more knowledge, and then curious, because I'm curious to see what's gonna happen, since we just launched the campaigns right before we came in here, of what's possible, and then what can I replicate. And because they helped me set up the first campaign, now I know how to go back in, tweak it, work with it, create secondary campaigns and things like that. I didn't even know Salt Lake was this cool. Because class starts so early in the morning, you can still get out and go and explore, and you have time to learn a lot, then go home, digest it mentally, then get a good night's sleep, then come back here. And do get a good night's sleep, because you're gonna be learning a lot, so you need as much brain capacity as possible.